Hello students, let's see through some more features in this tutorial. There are certain settings which are necessary to be done when we want to get benefits like earning some revenue on our channel through ads and even some processes related to verification. Thus, to do that, we'll need to go on our channel page onto the gear icon. In that, we'll be seeing a link about advanced settings. Once we click that, in advanced settings, the first thing we need to do is select the country of our residence so as it can be verified that we are an actual owner of this account. Once we have done that, we need to go ahead and click on save at the bottom. Past that, apart from it, there are some features in this tab of status and features which we need to change. Out there, only once we have selected our country, we'll be seeing this monetization option as being shown eligible, and then we can enable it. Apart from it, at the bottom, you will be also seeing something known as fan funding. This is if you want to get some funding from people who are subscribers to your channel. For doing that, there is one more step of verification to be completed. So click on verify your account. There it will ask you to go ahead and select either to get a message or either to get the code by text. So you can select any one of them, and then it will ask you through for your phone number. So you can go ahead and enter your phone number. Once you submit that, you will be sent a 6-digit verification code on your phone. As soon as that is received, you will enter it out here and click on submit. So I have received the code and I am entering it through here. Past submitting it, you will see the verified icon. So this indeed means now your channel is eligible and is verified by YouTube, and they are knowing that you are not a bot, an actual person who owns this channel. So these are the basic steps which you need to start. For enabling monetization, you click on the enable tab. Once you click there, you will see this page where it will tell you to enable your account. So click on the same. Past that, you will need to agree to their conditions and terms and click on I accept. Once we are done with that, we will now have the ability to go ahead and monetize all the videos which we upload through this particular action of clicking on monetization. When we do the step of uploading, I'll showcase through the same. And with these settings being done, we have completed the basic startup part. So now let's move ahead and see through the content uploading and other elements in our coming tutorials. Thank you.